Today, I'd like to answer one of the questions that we get quite often, actually, which is when should I start face yoga? And the answer to that question is why not start now? Hello, Face Yogis. My name is Roxy Flores, and I'm one of the head coaches here at the Face Yoga Method and TCC Manager. Hey, be sure to watch this entire video to start your FYM journey with a free routine. Like today, yesterday. Truthfully, you're never too young or too old to start face yoga. We actually have some face yogis that are over 90 and they're just starting their face yoga journey with us now. We have some moms that like to include their kids sometimes when they're doing their face yoga routine. We have 20-year-olds, 30, 40, 50, 60. Age is not a factor, and this is possible because face yoga is a holistic and natural way to lift and tone your face. Today, I actually want to share 3 poses with you that are very simple and easy to do, and you can do them starting now. But before we do the poses, I'd like to remind you to put your moisturizer on anytime you do face yoga exercises or poses. And don't forget to use your mirror. So the first pose that I'd like to share is called the Acupressure Point Push. This pose relaxes and relieves stress from your forehead. Plus, it reduces wrinkles. And one more thing, this pose is actually really great to help relieving those 11 lines. You're welcome. Okay, here we go. So first things first is I want you to sit up straight with good posture. Okay, shoulders down. I don't want you to push out or push down. Shoulders down, sit up straight. And we're gonna make our hands into fists. We're gonna put our knuckles onto our forehead. Get shoulders down. And then we're going to slide from the middle to the side. When you slide down, I want you to breathe out. And when you put your hands here on your forehead, I want you to breathe in. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna breathe in and breathe out. Ready? Let's do it together. Knuckles on forehead, shoulders down, relax your neck. Okay, breathe in and breathe out. When you get to the end, you can put slight pressure on your temples and hold. That feels so good. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Knuckles, good posture, shoulders down, on your forehead. Breathe in and breathe out and hold. Oh, that feels so good. And come out. If doing this is too much for your arms, you can also do this. And if you don't have enough moisturizer, you can push instead of sliding down. Okay, great. So that was the first pose that I wanted to share. The second pose I want to share is called the Bumblebee. This pose is actually a lot of fun and I love doing it because it just really lifts up my mood, but it's also for plumping up those lips and make them kissable. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? Again, posture is important. Make sure your shoulders are down, you're relaxing your neck, and we're going to do this. I don't want to see your posture like this. And when you're doing the Bumblebee, I don't want your lips to go down like this. That's a no-no. And if you want, you can actually put your fingers for a little bit extra. Okay, you ready? So we're gonna try to hold this pose for 10 seconds. Here we go. Woo. Oh, that feels so good. You can do this pose anywhere while you're driving, sitting, cooking, anytime you want to do it. Okay? Now for my last pose that I want to share with you. This one is tapping. I know it sounds very simple, but this is actually very beneficial because it relieves stress from your head, temples, everywhere, and you feel so good after you do it. There's way more benefits to it, but too many to name here. You can go ahead and Google it, but let's just do it together. Ready? Let's start at the top of the head. Okay, we're just gonna lightly tap, and then we're gonna move down to our forehead. Always remember good posture, shoulders down. We're moving to our temples here, side of the head. Good. Now we're gonna move down to under the eyes. When you're tapping under the eyes, make sure you apply light pressure. Good. Under the nose, your chin, your neck, collarbone, and the armpits. Of course, you can take way more time doing this, but I don't want to make this video too long. So there you have it. Those are 3 simple and easy poses that you can start doing now. And just a little tip, you can actually use these poses or do these poses after you do your skincare routine. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to claim your free face yoga routine in the link in the description.